Let's look at the rubric together. An atom of chlorine has the symbol which is given to us in the question. This symbol is really important and I'm going to draw a box around it so I remember to use it. What does the symbol share with us? The 35 here, this is the mass number. This is the total number of subatomic particles with mass in the atom. So therefore, it's the number of protons plus the number of neutrons. What does the 17 tell us? This is the atomic number, also known as the proton number. As the name suggests, it's the number of protons in the nucleus of the atom. Let's look at the first part of the question. Give the number of protons, neutrons and electrons in this atom of chlorine. Let's draw a box around the command word. It's give. What does give mean? They want me to state simply the number of subatomic particles. They don't want a description or an explanation. So, the number of protons will be the same as the atomic number. So in this case, it's 17. Atoms have no overall charge. So the number of protons and the number of electrons is the same. So this tells me the number of electrons. It doesn't matter that I've had to fill in the last field first or second. I can leave a gap and come back to the number of neutrons. Now to calculate the number of neutrons, this we need to use a sum. So we need to take the mass number, which in this case is 35, take away the atomic number, which in this case is 17, and we get an answer of 18. So the number of neutrons is 18. Now remember, this is your exam paper. You can write over it as I have here with any little hints, tips and notes for yourself to help you get the correct answer. So let's look at the next question together. Explain why chlorine is found in group 7 of the periodic table. The command word is explain. Key information that the examiner has given me is that chlorine is in group 7 of the periodic table. So that key information I've underlined so I can look back on it. So why is chlorine in group 7 of the periodic table? Firstly, chlorine has 7 electrons in the outer shell. The group number is the same as the number of electrons in the outer shell. And for that reason, chlorine is in group 7 of the periodic table. So let's look at the next question together. Chlorine has another isotope. Define the term isotope. So the command word here is partway in the question, unlike the first two parts where it was actually the beginning part of the question. Define. That means state simply the meaning of the word. Now, let's have a little look at the key information they've given us. They've given us the word that we're defining, which is isotope. They've also told us that chlorine has a number of isotopes. So, what does the word isotope actually mean? It means atoms with the same number of protons, which of course you can define as the same atomic number or the same proton number, but a different number of neutrons, which you could define as the mass number or the number of nucleons.